Good morning, it's Hiker Dude Dad, and I am here at the Texter Mountain Nature Preserve. We are at the northeast tip of Lancaster County, Berks County to the northeast, Lebanon County over to the northwest. We are very close to the highest point in Lancaster County, which is 1,180 feet above sea level. If I recall from maps, it's out that way just a little bit. It's the summit of Texter Mountain. We're on Texter Mountain, but that is clearly marked private property over there, so we can't actually get to the high point, but very near it. Almost 1,200 feet. I am, as of late, used to being your friend in low places here in Lancaster County, where it's like 300 feet above sea level or less. We're going to go on a 2-mile walk. There's about 370 feet of elevation here in the preserve. It's kind of in the valley between two hills. Harnish Run flows in between them. Enough talking, let's go. Okay, so here we've come to the split. We've got blue going that way, blue going this way. No preference, but let's go clockwise. There's climbs and drops either way. Going to the left here clockwise, we will kind of hang along the ridge of one of the hills here, and then when we start to turn, we'll drop down into the valley, cross Harnish Run once, and make our way up a steep climb on the other side, where we'll eventually cross Harnish Run again. So either way, you're going up and down on this nice little loop. It's very humid today. It's August 20th. We just had a week of really nice, unusual, low humidity, high 70s, low 80s temperatures. But today I feel like the humidity's back. Chance of rain today. It's early in the morning, so it's been kind of cool, but I could tell it's heating up. So I want to get through this, be done by lunchtime before it gets to be August again. Saw that huge spider web. Don't know if I could see it on camera, but I think the architect is right there. Oh man, I don't want to mess up his work, but I have to get through here. I got through without too much damage and without anybody hopping on for a ride. Definitely spiderweb season. Alright, so we're down at the bottom here. We're near Harnish Run. Crossing some wetlands, some rocks. I hear the run. It should be straight up ahead here. So here we are in Harnish Run. Probably got a lot more flow than I thought it might have today. It's been a dry summer. Definitely worried about it. I can hear it up from the hill though, which is nice. So Harnish Run runs west to east through here. It empties into Blue Lake, which I saw on my drive up here. So this is Blue Lake. This is what Harnish Run empties into. The Cocalico Creek flows through Blue Lake and feeds into the Conestoga River, which then empties into the Susquehanna River beneath the Safe Harbor Dam. So we are miles and miles and miles from the Susquehanna River here, but that is how watersheds work. We are far away, but everything affects everything. And now we climb. Whew. This climb, after you cross the run, on the other side going clockwise, it's the biggest climb, toughest climb. And now I feel every degree of this hot, humid weather. I'm absolutely soaked. I look like I went swimming. The first time I ever did this was in about 6 inches of snow. Incredibly grueling and hard as well. Comment below, which do you prefer? 6 inches of snow or hot, humid, and jungle-like? Tell me below. I've got my ideas on it, but I want to hear yours. While you're at it, please like this video if you do. Subscribe and ring that bell so you get notifications. Alright. Shut up, HDD. Keep climbing. Alright, so it's leveled out a bit here. It is a really nice morning. It's warm, but very nice. And I'll tell you what, man, it's just me, about 100 of my closest insect friends. But yeah, this is good. I'm the only one out here. So if you're looking for a quiet place, it's a Sunday, so you'd figure everybody and their brother is out hiking. It's usually why I avoid weekends. We have a busy couple days coming up and I needed a video, so I'm here. But I'm the only one here. There was one gentleman out. He was using the parking lot but walking his dog on the road. Deer Run Road out there. That's the only person I've seen. All I've got is the sound of nature. Cicadas, bugs, and all that. And it's very peaceful. So if you're a weekend hiker and you're looking for a quieter spot, check out Texter Mountain here. There are some well-placed benches along the trail if you're having trouble with these hills. Hey, approaching Harnish Run again. Yeah, not much flow. The falls over here can be more impressive. I've seen them more impressive, but did not expect anything. Didn't expect anything today, with as little rain as we've gotten. Had a couple storms lately, but nothing sustained. So yeah, we're kind of in drought conditions still. But usually it's just flowing real nice place to take pictures. This is why I went clockwise, so that I would have this crossing second. It's usually a little better looking than the first. We just have another steep hill, short steep hill up here until we get to our lollipop stick, and then we head out. I just started to go up the hill away from Harnish Run. And it was just a real cool, cold breeze coming down the hill. Right before the run, I thought I felt a couple raindrops. I didn't know if it was gonna like open up, give me a shower here. It's cloudy, it's sunny, it's just, with the humidity in the air, it's just feels very volatile right now. So I would welcome a quick shower, that would be awesome. But I'm just standing here for a second because there's just a cool breeze coming down the hill towards the run here. And here we are back at the perfectly manicured trail intersection. And we can head up. Now this is a gradual steep climb. We kind of dropped into the preserve from the parking lot. So this is deceptively long and a little bit steep and rocky. The Lancaster Conservancy acquired all this land for the preserve in 2008, 2009. At one point there was plans to extend it into Berks and Lebanon counties, but probably just have to wait until the land becomes available. There is hunting here. Pennsylvania gaming rules apply, of course, but it is archery only here. And there are a couple safe zones in the preserve where there is no hunting. So on the way out here, there's a huge meadow that you just hug the side of over here. Tell you what, Texter Mountain, not too busy, which is awesome. And it shows. Only 2 pieces of litter that I found. A couple of wipes, tissues, whatever. I picked them up, and that was the only litter I saw in 2 miles. Keep it neat, keep it clean, pack it in, pack it out. This was a pleasure visiting Texter Mountain. I'm almost at the parking lot, so if you like what I'm doing, please share the video with a friend. Go take a hike. Please like this video, subscribe, ring the bell, and we'll do more. I'll see you next time I'm out there. Thanks for watching.